The more you put your life on display, the more people find ways to pull you down. It's a natural social pattern. Opinions multiply, judgment increases, noise surrounds you. That's why there's something powerful about disappearing, working in silence, becoming unavailable, building the next version of yourself in secret. Because when you finally reappear, the change will speak for itself. And the funny part? By then, you won't even care what anyone thinks. This is how to do it the right way. 1. How to disappear. 2. What to do in the shadows. 3. And how to reappear without ruining it. Miss the last part, and you undo everything. Part 1. How to disappear. 1. Control your mouth. Stop talking about your life. No announcements. No explanations. No sharing plans with friends, co-workers, or family. The more you speak, the more you leak energy. Learn to catch thoughts before they leave your mouth. Become a mystery. Mystery gives you freedom to move quietly. 2. Stop caring what others think. Most of your actions are influenced by imagined opinions. But the truth is, people aren't thinking about you as much as you think. So create a new rule. The only opinion that matters is yours. Ask yourself daily, would I be proud of what I did today? Make you the observer you're trying to impress. 3. Hide your plans. When you share your goals, you feel a false sense of progress. Talking replaces doing. So keep your plans private. If you need advice, be precise. Ask only what's necessary, then disappear again. Treat your plans like passwords, not conversation topics. 4. Hide your progress. Progress will come. You'll get stronger, smarter, more disciplined. Don't show it. No showing off, no hinting, no subtle flexing. Use that urge to share as fuel to go even further. 5. Handle struggles alone. This path is hard. You'll feel tired, frustrated, doubtful. Your instinct will be to complain or seek comfort. Don't. Sit with it. Feel it. Grow through it. Pain handled privately builds unshakable strength. Part 2. What to do in the shadows. 1. Pick clear targets. What exactly are you transforming? Your body? Your skills? Your income? Your mindset? Be specific. Write it down. Keep it visible for you only. 2. Build your life around the goal. Structure your day around progress. Live close to what supports your goal. Remove what distracts you. Time block hours daily for improvement. Obsession is required here. 3. Reprogram your mind. You must learn to enjoy this quiet grind. At first, it feels lonely. Then it feels peaceful. Then it becomes addictive. You start loving the work more than the attention. That's when real transformation happens. Part 3. Reappearing. Here's the truth no one tells you. If you do this right, you won't even want to reappear. You won't need validation. You won't crave attention. You'll find peace in privacy. You'll become someone who keeps improving without announcing it. A quiet force, a calm presence. A person who lets results speak. Disappear from the noise. Work in silence. Let the results make the sound. Because the strongest transformations happen unseen.